Presenting the 2012 Nissan Titan. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18x8 aluminum wheels, rear privacy glass, fog lamps, body color grille, manual sliding rear window, lockable bedside storage box, cargo area high mount lamp, white face instrument gauges and security alarm system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.